Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to move money from your EBT card straight into your Cash App account, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step process to make it happen. And I'll even share a backup method in case the direct way doesn't work. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any crucial steps. First, open your Cash App and log in. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. Scroll down until you see linked banks and select it. Now choose Link Debit Card. Your EBT card works like a debit card, so try linking it directly. Enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and ZIP code, then tap Add Card. If it goes through, you're good to go. Yeah, you can now use that card to load funds into Cash App. But here's the key. Sometimes EBT cards don't link directly. If that happens, don't worry. Tap No Card instead. A list of banks will appear. Use the search bar and type EBT. Look for and select Provider's Card if you have one. You'll be asked to log in with the email linked to your provider's card account. This allows Cash App to connect to your EBT account and pull in funds securely. With either method, you can now transfer your EBT balance to your Cash App and spend it like cash, send it to friends, or use it anywhere Cash App is accepted. And that's it. Super quick and easy. Whether your EBT card links directly or you go through the provider's card option, you can get your funds into Cash App without hassle. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and drop a comment if you ran into any issues. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.